Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechkes. I'm happy that you're here because in this video I'm about to show you something really important. What can you do with your scale? I mean, you probably learn it, you try to master it, all the techniques you need to consider there. But now the question is, how do I use the scale to play a nice musical solo? And the thing is, as hard that might be to understand, but it's so easy to answer, and you will maybe say, okay, that was easy. This is a good approach. You should just play melodies first, I think. Because you probably tend to play a scale or a solo like this, I don't know. You play your scale up and down and up and down, and I don't know, you really don't know what to do. And I think to open up your repertoire in terms of how to use a scale, you should just play melodies in the beginning. It's such an awesome thing to do because it's musical and it brings you to one thing. Let me show you something. You know that one? My Bunnies Over the Ocean, classic melody, probably everybody knows. That's why I use it, because as many people should know that melody, because it's important that you know the melody to implement it into or play it with the notes you know from your scale. You also might have witnessed that I try to breathe after a phrase. And this is so important when you play a solo, that you can learn from a melody, because when you sing a melody you need to breathe after a while. And you should also consider that while you're playing a guitar solo, no matter if you're playing a rock solo, blues solo, a jazz solo, whatever. Sometimes it's more important not to play than to play. You need space. And this is important to know, and one of the most striking lessons I ever experienced from my teachers at university. And this was such a big relief for me. I don't have to shred all the time and play fast and so many notes, and I was so uninspired. And I thought, wow, playing melodies, like in jazz standards, it's so common to just play the theme before you start into playing a solo. You can pick up the theme and just rearrange it while improvising and stuff, but this is like the ground basis for this. So let's start with playing melodies. We play the melody I just played for you by starting in the 5th fret of the A string. Please remember your scale first. Remember your technique. Remember your muting, the strings you don't want to hear. And then we go the 5th fret of the A string with the pinky, and then we go ring finger, 4th fret, G string, and index finger, 2nd fret, G string. So, and there we have the first technical thing going on. We have to skip a string. We play the A string and then we jump over the D string to the G string. And you already see, this is nothing what you would have learned from just playing the melody. I mean, there are sometimes big intervals. And then we go to the 5th fret D string, 2nd fret G string, and 5th fret D string again. So it's 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5. And repeat that. You will probably hit the wrong strings at the beginning, because you have to skip that string. That's not very nice if you've never done that. Then it goes on with 2nd fret D string, 5th fret and 2nd fret A string. So it's 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. Repeat that. 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. And again, 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. And again, 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. This is the first part. And then we go, the second part, we start on the same note, 5, 4, 2. First three notes are the same. 5, 5, 4, 5, 2. So we have, again, second part, 5, 4, 2, 5. 5 on the D string, 4 on the D string, 5 on the D string, and the end of the second part is second fret G string. Again, the second part, 5, 4, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 2. Part 1 and 2 after each other. 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. 5, 4, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 2. And then we repeat the first part, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. And now we are going to the next part, which again starts on the 5th fret of the A string, and then to the 2nd fret of the D, and after that the 2nd fret of the G string. So it's 5, 2, 2, and then 5th fret, D string, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and 5th fret. So 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. Again, last part. 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. And the whole thing from the top. 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. 5, 4, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 2. First part again. 5, 4, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. And the last part. 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. Those notes are from the G major universe. They're all within the scale. They're all in there. But this makes so much more sense when you're playing a solo. You're just playing a beautiful melody. And if you adapt that to more melodies, you play melodies and melodies and melodies just in that key, and you get comfortable with all those big intervals and all those rhythms and stuff, this will make you such a great soloing player in terms of melodies. I mean, of course, there are more scales and more techniques and more licks that sound fancy and stuff, of course. And they're also so important, but you have to start somewhere, don't you? And you just want to play some music, want to play something beautiful, and in the end you also play something that somebody might get and say, hey, you're playing a nice melody there, I know that song. And you also develop your soloing techniques there. So have fun with this, and I hope you could learn something here in this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, bye.